In this video, I'll show you how to join the Hollow Knight Discord server on mobile. From your home screen, press on this green plus icon to the left, and then down at the bottom, tap on Join a Server. Inside this invite link box, you're going to type in Hollow Knight, all one word, and spell it exactly like that or it won't work, and then press Join with Invite Link. You'll see you've been invited to join the Hollow Knight server. Press accept invite, and then down at the bottom tap on confirm if you get this captcha message. However, not everyone will. Then there's going to be some server onboarding where it's going to ask 3 questions. You can choose to skip them or answer them if you want. Next, you're going to scroll down and read the server rules. And we've now joined the Hollow Knight Discord server. Thank you for watching.